Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mita Sulawati. I am from Yayasan Al-Ansari Mundi. Good morning everyone. Respected ladies and gentlemen, and all guests present. Let us thank God Almighty for His blessings and grace, so that we can gather here today in good health. Ladies and gentlemen, health is one of the greatest gifts in life. However, we often realize its value only when we become sick. In line with the third Sustainable Development Goal, good health and well-being, we are reminded of the importance of living healthy lives and promoting well-being for people of all age. Well-being is not only about being free from physical illness. It also includes mental health. A clean environment and access to good healthcare services. Unfortunately, there are still many challenges today, such as limited healthcare services in some areas and a lack of awareness about healthy and clean lifestyles. So, what can we do as individuals to achieve this important goal? The first one, start with yourself. Eat healthy and balanced food. Exercise regularly and keep your environment clean. The second one, manage stress. Mental health is as important as physical health. Take time to rest and enjoy positive activities or hobbies. The last one, care for others. Let us help and support one another, especially vulnerable groups such as children and the elderly, so they can have access to health care and a better quality of life. Health is not a luxury. It is a basic right for everyone. By keeping our bodies and minds healthy, we can be more productive, happier, and able to contribute positively to our families, communities, and country. Let us make a healthy lifestyle a habit, not a burden. Together, we can create a generation that not only lives longer, but also lives healthier and better. That is all for my speech. My God Almighty always bless us with good health and well-being. Thank you for your attention. Good morning, everyone, and stay healthy. Assalamualaikum